Join us for a quick walk around the showroom at Precious Metals Fine Motor Cars of San Diego. Visit us on the web at pmautos.com for further descriptions, photographs, and pricing of these vehicles. This is a 1983 Rolls-Royce Corniche, finished in Marina Blue with a mahogany interior. This is a 1967 Maserati Mexico, one of 498 originally built. It has been fully restored and is a well-sorted example. A couple of our personal cars include this 1969 Lamborghini Alero S, one of 99 originally built and finished in Verde Carrabba with a Blanco interior. This is a Survivor 1979 Porsche 930 Turbo with original paint, original interior, and original drivetrain. This is a 1983 Porsche 911 SC Carrera. This is a 1972 240Z that's been fully restored and upgraded with a 327 V8. This is a 2005 Dodge Viper that's equipped with a Paxton supercharger and produces 810 horsepower. This is a 1974 BMW 2002. It's been fully restored to concourse spec and is a lovely driving example. A couple of hot rods in the collection include this 1940 Ford. It's had over $175,000 invested in it. It's equipped with a 383 V8, rides on airbags, and is finished in black cherry. This is a 1937 Ford, also tastefully restored. This is upgraded with a Ford 302, air conditioning, and has a Mustang 2 front end. Our 1979 Cadillac Eldorado is a AACA Senior First winner and Cadillac LaSalle Club Senior First winner. Our 1979 Land Rover Series 3 is a factory lightweight, very unique. They called these the Air Portable. This is one of our most recent acquisitions. This is a 2004 Bmw Z8. Another hot rod we have in the collection is this 1932 Ford. This is a glass body, but it's fitted with a TCI chassis, lots of chrome underneath, and a 350 V8. Another one of our personal cars include this 1967 Ferrari GTC. It's a lovely show-winning example. And this 1970 Monte Carlo. This is a 350 horse variant. The car has been fully restored with fresh paint, fresh interior, new brakes, new suspension, and drives better than new. I hope you enjoyed a quick tour of our collection. All these vehicles can be found on our website. Most all of them are for sale. And we invite you to take a look at pmautos.com. We are located in San Diego, California.